presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day. Tom takes your phone calls toll free at 1-877-927-6648. Internationally at 727-445-1044.
Let's go to our man Dave in Clearwater. Hey Dave, Happy New Year. What's happening, man?
Happy New Year to you, my brother. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great, man. How you been?
I am doing well, man. I'm doing well. Can I throw a quote out at you?
Sure.
In the market, somebody knows something. Someone always knows something. That statement was made by a great trader by the name of Tom O'Brien about 6-7 years ago.
Oh, yeah?
And it kind of hit me like a brick. You're right. Somebody always knows something.
Hey, Carlos, what's going on, brother?
I'm calling you back, Tom. This morning I had the pleasure to talk to you and your son, and I don't want to miss the opportunity to talk to you again.
Well, I think you made some money on this bond.
Oh, yes, Tom. Your newsletter helped me.
That's a beautiful thing. We appreciate you growling, prowling with us out here.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, sick day. It's a TGIF, folks, and it's one heck of a day in the marketplace. And the NDX 100, that's for sure. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Jeff Bezos just got $10 billion richer. That's what he's doing. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 33. NASDAQ is up 144. S&Ps are up 16. Gold contract up $4.40, trading at $12.74 an ounce. Silver, $16.84 an ounce. Platinum, $9.10 an ounce. Platinum's down $7. Copper's off 7.5 pennies. Copper gets slammed out here today. $3.10 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.26, $53.90 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note up 8 ticks, 124.20. 30 bond up 16 ticks, 151.07. And King Dollar's up 306 ticks, trading 94.815. The euro is at 116 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 113.25 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. Now, in the world of the NDX 100, normally we start the S&P, but we got to go to the NDX because this is just absolutely amazing, folks. Bottom line, Amazon is not only on fire. Fundamentally, they're hitting on numbers, but this is quite a move. So Amazon's up $129. Google is up $52. Google was up $75. Google finished its ABC structure on the way up. Allergen is up $31. Avco Technology, that's a supplier of Apple, is up $8.54. NetEase is up $7. You get Facebook up $7. Microsoft's up $6. Vertex Pharmaceuticals up $5. Apple's up $5. Now, that's on the big positives. Negatives out here go like this. And the NDX, by the way, folks, is the 100 is up 179. Priceline is down $47. Expedia is down $24. Your Baidu off $22. Bottom line, Regeneron's off $7. Other than that, you know what? Guess what? The positives are over the negatives in quite a way, way out here. If we go over to Amazon, we take a look at Amazon. What you're going to see out here is this: Amazon right now. So Amazon opens this morning at 1,058 and just doesn't stop. We are at 1102 right now. You have 13 million shares, 14 million shares traded. Big numbers. Google finished its ABC structure on the way up and pulled back ASAP. It's kind of pretty intriguing actually what Google did. The ABC structure was 1,050. It hit 1,048.39 and then just bang, pulled back. Someone was taking profits ASAP and Google. Facebook is going to be coming out with numbers on November 4th, I believe. Facebook also is trying to stay over its high right now. We are at 177.60. The high is 176.74. bottom line, it does have the volume out here. The high spike on the 27th of July, that went to 175. That had 68 million shares traded out here. And right now, that's intriguing. Yeah, we're going to be up there with 24 million. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here today traded from a low of 1263. We're at 1273 right now. What gold did is it got into the swing point from the 6th of October, as well as its strength from the 9th of August. It rejected both of them, went topside, and will have lighter volume. So what's intriguing here is that gold also wants higher price. And what happened there, this happened intraday when it came over the tape that that Trump was going to go with Powell as the Federal Reserve Chairman. And, bottom line, the gold market liked it. If we go over to the bond market, bonds turned around also. If we look at the 10-year bond was trading 124.06. That thing went topside to 124.20. And if we take a look at it, what this also did on the daily, on the weekly, that has rejected now the lower swing points from July. That's saying that, guess what? Even with the Fed rising short-term rates, it's still saying rates want higher price, lower yield. And if we wrap it up with the King Dollar here, what you're going to see a King Dollar, right now the 10-year is at 2.4. If we go over to King Dollar, simultaneously when that was coming across, what you had is that King Dollar went from a price point of 95.060 back down to 94.820. No big deal there. King Dollar is, what do we have? I think it was a 3-point ABC up. 90 to 94.3, which gets you, it was approximately 96, the number, and we made it to 95. And what that's all about, folks, is that if, in fact, Powell gets to be the Federal Reserve, there's not much that's going to change. And I can see that coming across, too. The reason being you can see it coming across is that I suspect that the way the stock market's going and the way that the administration and Trump, and the whole rest of the world say, hey, listen, we're going up every day. You don't want to mess the party up, right? So Powell would be a choice that you don't mess the party up, and he would be Trump's guy simultaneously. Yellen wasn't. Taylor, someone from outside, might mess with the market a bit, so I can see that can shake out. Some of the higher volume stocks out here today, this is what we have. You have, J.C. Penney. We'll look at that in a second. J.C. Penney looks like it's going out of business. That's down 57 cents, or 15%. General Electric. Now this is a heads up on General Electric. This stock's going to 11. You get a day like today, General Electric's down 57 cents. Intel's up 360. You got Mattel down $1.58. CVS Health, that's down 446. They want to buy Aetna. Merck is down 388. Macy's is up $1.60. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.